Hey, welcome back to the Bear Cave. Today, I've got the Tyche75 from Emo Toys to build. The Tyche comes in a well-padded box with a magnetic top with accessories underneath. Before we build, thanks to today's sponsor, Flexispot, who got me this desk, the E7 Pro Plus standing desk. Along with it, I also received some other items, but the monitor stand has to be my favorite. I can store my tools on top of it, keep all my ports and audio controller under it, and also have a space for my keyboard when I need more room on my desk. The cable management strip is also very useful as it lets me route all my cables underneath my desk. The main spotlight of this desk, though, is the height adjustment and offers a very stable experience, with practically no wobbling even at the highest setting. After a week or so of using this desk, I found that switching back and forth from sitting and standing does really help keep me concentrated and helps with a healthier office lifestyle. The E7 is the best value alternative to other standing desks for a premium experience, so check out the E7 with a 30-day return policy and a lifetime warranty with my links in the description. For today, we'll be using a polycarbonate plate, the main reason being that the PC plate allows for a stronger Bluetooth connection, according to the designer. I've got a hot swap PCB, and something interesting I noticed was the lack of flex cuts. Recently, all the boards I've built have cut after cut for flexiness, so this was quite refreshing. We pop on stabilizers, then some foam, and I've got the lubed and foamed Gateron Minis for this build. These are actually a rerun of the famed Gateron Giants, and I love how they look with their milky housings and pink stems. Make sure to check out Lube Switches for all your switch services. Setting everything up inside the keyboard is quite easy. We screw in our 5 LED light strip. Then plug in our JST cables. While all this was simple, I found that it took me quite some time to assemble the case due to issues getting the top housing to fit on correctly. After you align everything correctly, however, it was quite easy to put back together. Six screws later and 2 strips of feet, let's hear how the Tyche sounds.